Our bones can also help us maintain homeostasis of some nutrients, specifically calcium, which is what the bones are mostly made up of. And so we have some terms here. Hypo means under, below, right? So low. Calc is referring to calcium, and then emia means of the blood. So hypocalcemia is when we have low deficiency of calcium in the blood. And this can cause serious issues with muscle reflexes. It can make muscles overreactive and cause them to seize up without being able to release. That's tetanus. The opposite of that is hypercalcemia. So hyper meaning more, calcium, emia of the blood. So this is an excess of calcium in the blood. And this does the opposite. So this actually slows our muscle reflexes. We have several hormones that control calcium. The first one is calcitrol. This is a type of vitamin D. And calcitrol is going to help move calcium from our digestive system and our kidneys into the blood. So this is going to increase calcium. Calcitonin is going to lower blood calcium. So this one lowers calcium in the blood. Calcitonin is going to allow calcium to be deposited into the skeleton. And then parathyroid hormone, which is sometimes just written PTH, is another one that's going to increase the calcium in the blood by increasing reabsorption by the kidneys and then removing calcium from the skeleton. While calcium is really important that we regulate through homeostasis, phosphate is also regulated, but not regulated very tightly. We have a wide range of tolerance for phosphate levels, so it's not very important that we regulate phosphate. But some of these same hormones are going to affect this. So calcitrol is going to raise the phosphate levels, while parathyroid hormone, so PTH, will lower the phosphate levels. And we're always talking about the blood. There are a lot of other hormones that affect bones, like growth factor, but we won't discuss those here. So take a moment and reflect on how the bones participate in regulating levels of calcium.